militia that could use the peacetime to regroup and advance their holdings. Pakistan had on Monday agreed to allow the imposition of Sharia in a one-time tourist destination that bore the brunt of an insincere military campaign against the Taliban movement looking to extend its sway beyond Afghanistan. The Obama administration is yet to formulate its policy on Pakistan, but the defiant move has mounted concern and frustration in Washington. The decision that was announced by the government of Pakistan has to be thoroughly understood. We believe that the activity by the extremist elements in Pakistan possess a direct threat to the government of Pakistan as well as to the security of the United States, Afghanistan and a number of other nations, Secretary of State Hillary Clinton said. The imposition of Islamic or Sharia law in return for the military taking a defensive position is also seen as an acceptance of an Afghanistan-style rule of law that has cut off soldiers' heads, threatened women who dared to shop alone, and carried out sustained assassination campaign against the government. Amnesty International warned that the truce could legitimize the human rights abuses that have been taking place in the region. But the federal government, which approved the deal, has maintained that it will not include the more pernicious forms of Sharia the Taliban is infamous for. The proposed technical amendments in the regulation are conditioned on peace and laying down of arms by militants, a presidential statement said. The agreement also sent warning bells in neighboring India. The region is just 300 odd miles from the Indian border. New Delhi said it is watching the developments in Pakistan closely and called upon the world for a united fight against all forms of extremism. Pakistani President Asif Ali Zardari has sent mixed signals about his government's policy towards Islamic militants. He has said that it is crucial to take on the Taliban, whom he blames for the assassination of his wife, former Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto. But the President himself signed off on the deal.
Even as the world went about discussing the fallout of the peace deal, the Pakistan government struck with the Taliban. At least 5 people were killed and 18 others injured when a car bomb ripped through a street in Bazid village, outskirts of Peshawar. Several of the injured are said to be in critical condition. And